Hello, everybody. John Novak with Nexgen Software. I cannot and will not be able to accurately express how well all of our traders are doing in the room. How simple we've made day trading for them. You know, we've literally spent 21 years perfecting the looks that are going to make you money and the looks that are going to make you lose. And, you know, what we do in our live room every single day is we take traders such as yourself or people that want to be traders, and we literally show you trade after trade after trade after trade. We talk about the entry, we talk about management, we talk about the nuances. And look, bottom line, 21 years we've worked on these trades up here. And, you know, cumulatively 75-80% winners. And these first two trades, which I'm going to show you a couple of from today's class, probably in the 90% range. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I want to put this in perspective for you because I'm confident, 100% confident, we can teach you to make at least 100% a month on your account. And, you know, look, in our trading plan, our goal for you guys is $400 a day. And I want to put this in perspective. If you make $400 a day, or should I say when you make $400 a day, if you trade one contract with a $5,000 trading account, you're going to make $8,000 a month. I mean, that's ridiculous. It's over 150% return a month. And, you know, again, obviously the math works out. If you make two contract trades and you make $400 a day, you're going to make $16,000 a month. And again, obviously the numbers get really, really big once you work your way up to 10 contracts. Now, the hard part is getting to consistency with the $400 a day. And we're going to eliminate the hard part for you. We've already done it. We've put together the plan. We've put together the rules. And, you know, look, I'm going to show you these rules in our trading plan. And I want you to see what it looks like. Just a quick picture because it's unmistakable. Right here on this chart on the left, we have really strong triggers to the downside. We've broken support and we get this pullback and you're going to make money. You're going to make the trade on the small chart and you're going to make money. The exact opposite's true if it's going long. Check it out. If this chart on the left side looks like this, and these indicators are aligned like this, when it pulls back to our areas, and we'll show you exactly how to get the right area, you're going to make money most of the time. I mean, our traders are saying high 90%. So anyway, I want you guys to see what it looks like. And, you know, I'm going to take a couple of examples from our class today. And you know, I want to break this down and make it really easy. There's a lot of other things that happen in the market, and a lot of times they're not our trades technically, right? So, you know, we're going to teach you how to navigate through areas like this where, you know, it's not really very strong and it kind of bounces around. You know, these are the ones that we'll show you the tricks for, and we'll show you how to take some opportunities in there. But that's not the bread and butter. That's not the easy money. This is the easy money. Let me show you. You'll see how easy this is. This is the look, and you'll see it when we break support, and we've got these strong averages going down, and we get this pullback. This is the spot where we make easy money. And watch, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the small chart. And again, our targets are going to Fibonacci support. And, you know, if the support breaks and we've got the strong look again, we do another trade. So there's only two trades, you know, after 11 o'clock here, after support broke. Well, let me show you what the two trades do. So again, I've just kind of highlighted them for you here. So this is what it looks like when support breaks. You know, this is the support area from the big chart. And again, don't let some of the lines from the smaller chart fool you here. You know, we'll teach you how to work through all that. But this is what we're looking for. We're looking for that big move down, which is what it looks like on the big chart. And then this is where we're going to teach you how to get into a position. And we're going to teach you see this big red box right here? We're going to teach you how to define the entry zone, and we're going to teach you how to define the risk. And we're also going to teach you this green box represents how much money you can make on that trade. And again, I want to put this in perspective for you. If you get in, let's just say, look over here on the right, 1248, and you get out somewhere around support, 1245, that's $300 on one contract. Just one trade. And again, I want you to understand the simplicity of this. So you get that, let's just say you get $200 of it. Okay? And then you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting. And then, again, the small chart area breaks and we have momentum on the big chart. And then you get one more. This is, perfect right here. Pull back to resistance. And again, we're going to teach you how much to risk inside this red box. And again, we're looking for Fibonacci support for our target areas. Very simple. And again, if you get in, let's just say 44.50 down to 42, that's about $250. So literally 2 trades on gold, $550 on one contract. And again, just as a reminder, you'll just see here, we talk about this all day, every day, but you only need $400 per day to make 150% a month on your $5,000 account. Obviously, you can trade more if you want, or you could really get away with about $4,000 and $3,000 or $4,000 in your account. But we like to say $5,000 is a good starting spot. You do your first month of $400 a day and make $8,000 a month, you're not going to worry about what your balance is. So again, this is what we do during the day. We show you the look on one chart. Very simple. This chart, this break, this pullback, the rules for a short, and you get paid. And then this break, this look, this pullback, this short, another $250. And that's it. That's all you need. Now, check this out. So that's just gold. So already you reached your goal on gold. Today was a little bit larger than normal on crude oil. We had a ridiculous day on crude oil, but I'm not going to show you the whole thing because you don't need it, because every trade is the same. It's the same thing every single time. Strong triggers up, we buy the pullbacks. Strong market down, we sell the pullbacks, and that's it. And again, I don't want you to be too confused by the small chart over here. The small chart will teach you in the videos and the rules and the plan and the class. That helps us with timing, but it's not the main chart to look at. It's this big chart on the left. Look how simple that is. Strong averages down, you get a nice pullback, and we're going short, making money. That's it. So today we had crude oil inventories, and they really ran up. They ran up a lot. And it's very fast and very volatile. And, again, we stay out of the way of that mess. In the plan, and you're going to love this, it's so simple, okay? We go through areas in the plan that tell us when the market has a high probability of reversing the trend or, a breakout to continue the trend. And literally 21 years we have worked on defining the best conditions for you for what to do. So look, this one right here, price getting above or below a prior divergence line. Now, you don't really know what that means, but I'll show you what it means. It's so simple. This purple line is a prior divergence line. So this right here, when we get right here, I'll put a couple arrows in. We're going down. And we don't do any more long trades. And if, watch how simple this is. If we get the look And you can probably already know the look by now. Look how easy this is. Everything's going down really, really strong. I'll get that out of your way so you can see. And you get the pullback into this Fibonacci area. We're going short. And again, we could go look at the little chart here, and you'll see, this is how we kind of fine-tune some entries. But, we go short, and we make a couple $100. And we go short, and we make a couple $100. And then, if it's still strong, we go short, and we make a couple $100. And, and then they give a retracement, and we'll teach you how to handle the retracement. And then they start moving again, and they pull back, and we get another couple $100. And they pull back, and we get more. And they pull back, and we get more. I can't even count it up. I mean, there was literally 16 trades today on crude oil. I don't know exactly how many. It was so many as well over 10 that gave $200. And, it's an out of bounds day today. So what you're going to see from us, and you're going to see it every day, it's the same trade, the same look, the same rules. It's so simple. It's so easy. It's so freaking profitable that you're going to absolutely have a hard time digesting it. And this is what we do. We do it in class, okay? We go through the rules when they become true. This trade when it becomes true. This high probability trade if it comes true. And look, this is our trade. I'll just show it to you. Look, we had one in the S&P. Let me check it out here. So here's what our trade is. If we hit Fibonacci resistance and then the trigger lines roll over real strong, we'll do 1 or 2 short trades on the little chart. And again, let me show you from today. Bear with me a minute. This was one that we were talking about in our S&P all day today. So look, this was our Fibonacci resistance. And we even wrote this. I mean, we literally wrote this hours before the trade even happened. We said the next trade will be when all of these Fibonacci's turn blue or these trigger lines, these red ones here, roll down. And again, I wasn't watching. We were, finishing up on crude oil. Is ridiculous. But this was our first trade right here that you could have taken at 81.50 and $200. And then there's a very specific reason and pattern down here that told us that we were going to go up here, and we did this one. And that was another $200 a contract. So again, it was literally only 2 trades for the morning, until about maybe 12:30 or so, Eastern lunch. But you can see the look. Strong triggers down, 1 trade short, $200, $200. So literally today, easy $2,000 a contract with 1 trade. This look, nice and easy, no other look on the planet. And this happens, 4 or 5 times a day, every day. And it happens on every market, just about. So you could trade currencies, you could trade Forex, you could use it on stocks if you really wanted to. When you see the power and the leverage and the profitability that we do in crude oil, or gold, you're not going to want to trade stocks, trust me. So look, here's what I want you to do. Go to the education page on our website. Okay? In our education page, I want you to click on this. You'll see it. It's a picture. And this basically is just a little overview of each of these sections, okay? And then from the education page, I want you to click on the trading plan. And literally go into the trading plan, okay? Read to the first page. Right-click on these examples and look at the looks and the trade setups that we have. And then if you want to get a little bit further into it, we have some example videos of showing the, setups and a couple of these are some short videos that kind of go through some days. And then you get into the meat and potatoes. How to read the fibs and trigger lines, and how to, what's each indicator, and then what are the trend trade rules for the little chart. How do you get into the trade on the little chart? How do you manage the trade? And these are all this right here is what we do all day in class. Trade rules, trade entries, managing trades, making sure that you guys get these best trades down. And when you get this trade down, I've never, ever seen anybody have a hard time day trading. So if you struggled or you're wondering if it's really something that you need to get started with, if you want to make money, I guarantee we're going to show you how to make 100% a month. I mean, that's like dropping the bucket for what we're going to teach you. So if it's been a long time, sign up for another demo so we know who you are. Put your right phone and email in there. Don't put in tricky stuff. We're going to give you a call. We're going to get you going. We're going to show you how to do it 100% without a doubt. You're going to be really, really happy. And look, we'll get you in the class. It doesn't cost a penny. You know, it's free. Free demo, free class. Come learn it. Come watch it. Undeniable. Literally. There's no way on God's green earth you're going to be able to look at it and go, well, this doesn't work. So if you're serious about making money, time to get going. Call us. You know, if you don't know your phone number of your salesperson who's been calling you 10 times, click right here on the contact us, and there's your salespeople right there. Call these guys. Get started. I mean, literally, get started because it's going to take you, you know, a week or two to get everything down so you know what you're up to, and then you can make a decision. I look forward to teaching you guys. I look forward to showing you how simple these couple of simple trades are, how profitable they are. It's really exciting. You're going to have a great time in class. And look, bottom line, trading is about making money, right? If you can't make money, it's not worth it. And if you do the demo and you learn these simple trades, whether it's on crude oil or whether it's on gold or whether it's on the S&P, it doesn't make any difference. We're going to show you how to make at least 100% a month. Without a doubt, I can't wait to see you. So look, you guys have a great evening. I look forward to seeing everybody tomorrow. You guys have a good night, and we'll do it again tomorrow.